Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the panel and bowl of your Thermomix TM31. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, remove the bowl from the base by twisting it counterclockwise and lifting it off. Set it aside in a safe place. Now, let's focus on the panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid misplacing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the panel away from the base. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the panel. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. If you find this process too challenging, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. With the panel removed, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Thermomix. If you notice any wear or damage, it might be time to consider a replacement. Next, let's install the new panel. Align it carefully with the base and ensure all wires are properly connected. Once in place, secure it with the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently but firmly to avoid any loose connections. Now, let's move on to the bowl. Before placing it back, check the sealing ring for any signs of wear. If it looks damaged, it's best to replace it to prevent leaks during use. If you need assistance with this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. Once you've ensured everything is in order, place the bowl back onto the base by aligning it and twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back and perform a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the panel and bowl of your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your appliance and keep it running smoothly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.